Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Lizon, helping you live naturally in an unnatural world. Who are you? I'm you 20 years ago. What are you doing here? I'm here to fix your mistakes and make sure that you share with people all the vital health research out there that shows why people over 50 need to be using near-infrared saunas.
Okay, that makes sense.
This is the first of our series on near-infrared sauna use that's based on things I wish I'd known 20 years ago now that I'm over 50. And today we're talking about energy production, because energy production is a problem that virtually all of us over 50 struggle with, and there are things that can be done. First, let's define what we're talking about when it comes to energy. And what I'm referring to is the production of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. That is the sort of energy currency of the body and what we're trying to increase. Let's take a look at the big picture and then zoom in. It starts with the 30 trillion plus cells within the human body. 30 trillion. And these cells form our various organs and tissues. Now, when you zoom in even further, you look into the cells and you find these things called mitochondria. Mitochondria are one of the most important things when it comes to energy production, and we need healthy mitochondria. These mitochondria produce ATP. Now that you understand mitochondria, we can get to the first of the three ways that near-infrared saunas can help increase your energy. The first way that near-infrared saunas can help increase your energy is through the use of something called photobiomodulation, or PBM for short. Have a look at this image. What you can see on this image is that the light penetrates deep into the body and it penetrates into the mitochondria. Now, at this particular point through here, you can see the red in the near-infrared light is absorbed by this enzyme called cytochrome C oxidase. When that light is absorbed, it disassociates nitric oxide, and that's a big deal because nitric oxide blocks the ability of the body to use oxygen. So when you disassociate nitric oxide, you increase the availability of oxygen, and the end result of more oxygen is an increased production or efficiency of the ability of the body to create ATP, more energy. Another way near-infrared saunas can help is that they increase the production of melatonin. Studies show that melatonin can be increased outside of the pineal gland, and this particular study is showing that whole body irradiation with red light leads to a notable increase in serum melatonin levels in humans. Melatonin is your primary sleep hormone. The more melatonin you have, the better you sleep. The better your sleep quality, the more you repair and recover, and the more energy that you have. So increased melatonin is the number 2 way that near-infrared saunas can help. The third way that near-infrared saunas help is by relaxing the body. A single session in a near-infrared sauna decreases your fight or flight response, that stress response that so many of us struggle with, by 38.3%. And in addition to that, it increases your rest and repair side of the nervous system called the parasympathetics. It increases that by 27.8%. You put the two together and that's almost a 60% reduction in stress and in tension. It relaxes you tremendously, and when you relax more, you're able to repair more, and again, you will have more energy because you're not spending it on stressful stimulation. When done an hour or two before bed, you combine the increased melatonin and the relaxed body, which makes for a tremendous increase in overall energy the following day. So being over 50 will mean a decrease in energy to a certain extent as compared to someone who's 20. But when you understand the science, there is so much that you can do to increase your energy production and feel so much better. Of course, there are more benefits to near-infrared sauna than just increasing your energy. And as you're over 50, we need to use all the tips and tricks that we can do. So that's why this is a video series on energy production as well as other aspects that near-infrared sauna can do. So if you want to make sure that you're getting all the videos, by all means, hit the subscribe button, the like button, or if that's not your thing, you can always jump onto our website and go into our learning center. Take your time and learn as much as you would like about near-infrared saunas. Until next time, keep well. I'm Dr. Todd Lizon.